If you want to enjoy your popcorn, then this is the perfect caramel sauce you need to try. Hello sweet fingers lovers, do not forget to subscribe. In the pot, you're just going to add your sugar to it and make sure your pot is a non-stick or your pan. Then you're just going to mix together until it dissolves. And this took between 2 to 3 minutes on a low heat, and this is what we have. So I'm just going to continue to stir it until it dissolves properly. And after a while, this is what we have. So we're just going to add our milk to this, and you just need to add your milk like little by little. You don't have to pour everything at once. So we're just going to add our milk to it, and then we're just going to keep stirring it until it's. Then after 2 to 3 minutes on a low heat, we're just going to add a spoon of margarine to this, and we're just going to keep stirring until it dissolves. After some minutes, this is what we have. All you have to do is just mix this together with your popcorn and enjoy. So let me know, my sweet fingers lovers, what you think about this recipe, and do not forget to follow for more. Bye.